Brand new Lucy and Surf Gang just dropped. Kind of like made this loop like a couple days ago. It's kind of frozen into audio, but thought I'd just use this as kind of like a starting point. I've just bumped up the tempo to like 162. I'm gonna see what we can come up with. Your notes have to be like this short for the 808, and you can go in and just adjust the release time. Just sort of make this for a B section. This is a really good plugin I've been using a lot. It's called Tape, and it's just tape distortion, but it's quite like simple, and there's like a lot of good presets in here, like heaps. Try and give it that kind of like VHS type sound. Try and make it sound like Cooper. So I'm just going to freeze this as well. So I feel like these two elements are just kind of like clashing. On this kind of like VHS like bell. So I boosted these frequencies. So the first frequency was like 800 hertz. The second one was at 300. I just literally like swept through, and I was like, oh, I really like how it sounds here, and I like how it sounds here. So I just added like 2 dB in each of those sections. And then I was EQing this like second element. So I just like swept through, and then I found that around like 1.2K, it sounded really good. And conveniently, it was sort of like in between the two frequencies that I just boosted with the bell. So yeah, when you look at it like that, like boosting can actually like clean up your mix. All you have to really do is just like go and sweep through and find your favorite frequency. It doesn't have to be a lot, just like give it a little nudge, like 2 dB. Maybe 4 dB. If you went through and did that on each like element, taking into consideration like where the other elements are sitting, you're making your favorite parts just kind of like stick through in certain areas of the frequency spectrum. And doing that, you're creating like more clarity for those elements.